Do you want to know how to hide view history in Notion? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide view history in Notion. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Notion app on your laptop. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your Notion account. Now on the left side of the screen, you're going to see a bunch of options where you're going to have to scroll down. There you'll find settings option, tap on it. Once you do that, go ahead and select My Settings from the left side of the screen. Now, scroll down again. There under the Privacy option, you'll see the second option will be Show My View History. If I've turned it on, then people with edit or full access will be able to see when you viewed a page. So go ahead, go to right side, tap on the drop down menu and tap on Don't Record there. Then you'll successfully hide your view history. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.